Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on Slack. Now, at first, just open up the Slack app or just go to slack.com on your browser. Then just log into your account. Then just select any of the workspace. I'm going to select this one. And after that, just give some time for the workspace to load. You might have to click on Use Slack in your browser. Then just give it like 3 seconds and it will load the entire workspace for you. Now from here, what you have to do is under direct messages, find the user that you want to block. For example, let's say I want to block Orica. So I'll select her. And after that, I will see her chat like this. I can send her a message here. And if I want to block her, what I have to do is here, click on her profile. This is her profile. And from here, I can click on view full profile. Then I can click on this three dot icon. And from here, I'll find a button called Hide Orica. If I click on this, Orica will be hidden from me. There is no true block feature on Slack. Only thing you can do is hide users. So just click on this. Then after this, you'll get a prompt like this. This will say their message in the channel will be hidden from you. You won't be notified when they mention or DM you. You can always unhide them. They won't be notified that you have hidden them. So if you agree to all this, you can click on hide this person. And there you go, the person has been hidden. And this hide option is the closest thing to block feature on Slack. And basically that is how to block a person on Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.